Blessed Friday to us. It is always an interesting note that when we are reading the Gospel of St. John, most specifically in the first 12 chapters, that whenever Jesus or whenever many would attempt to kill him or to trap him, Jesus would always get away, because his hour has not yet come. Now this is a very important word in the Gospel of St. John, ang oras, ang takna, the hour. Because this is actually the moment that is connected with his crucifixion, which is at the same time, in the Gospel of St. John, is the moment or the time of glorification. So there is a very specific theology in the Gospel of St. John where his suffering and death is always connected immediately with the glorification that he is going to manifest. And so it is always something to note. But then, whenever this time or this hour comes, everything has to be fulfilled. And this is where Jesus, following the will of the one who sent him, is actually realized. Now, because of this, he always is giving so many different perspectives and, well, we should also say inspiration, in the sense that all of us as faithful people, as trying to live righteous lives, despite the so many perversions around us, the many different temptations, or the way that the devil is always working against those who are righteous, are so many, according to the responsorial psalm today. This hour is always something that is very significant, because for the faithful people, for the righteous ones, for the just, the hour is always connected with him who is being present all the time. Muna nga, we are always inspired, or at least in that way, encouraged even more to face the so many difficulties around us. There may be many troubles of the just man, but out of them, the Lord also delivers him. In fact, it is a good way to also thank him. Kasi mingo naunsa ka pa rin, na praning ka, magpasalamat kang gisulay ko sa Ginoo. And do you know my answer to that? Magpasalamat jud ka. Because, kay ug di pa ka duol sa Ginoo, di yug ka samok-samokon sa yawa. Kanang yawa, magsamok-samok na sa mga tao nga duol sa Ginoo. Kung layo na kas Ginoo, nga magsamok-samok pa na siya, parehas naman mo. No? So, call it a funny realization, but that's true. But then, the way that we are being tested is also a manner and a process to be strengthened at the same time. And so as we continue with this Eucharistic celebration, with the hour that is so precious, we also have to thank the Lord for all the many moments and occasions and opportunities that we are able to feel his presence, celebrate it with joy, and most of all, become even more hopeful and strengthened with this grace that only comes and only comes from him. Amen.